Welcome back. From going on vacations to throwing barbecues, you worked hard to look your best for summer, and it paid off. Well, it's time to get to work again because the first day of fall is literally a few days away, bringing with it the holidays and the holiday parties. Now, here to share the top 3 ways to freshen your look is certified physician assistant from MALONEY Plastic Surgery, Danielle Moser. Danielle, so great to see you again.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Of course. So like I said, we're getting into those holidays. There's the hustle and bustle. We're running around like crazy. We want to look our best. I mean, we want to freshen our look and look younger and look better. What are ways that we can do that?
Right, Alex. Well, there are a lot of fantastic cosmetic procedures on the market, but my 3 favorite as we approach the holiday season when we usually don't have a lot of downtime and we want fresh, bright skin, I love microneedling, fillers, and Botox. And in combination, these 3 procedures yield a very nice result for us. So I'm going to talk about each one of them just a little bit. So microneedling is this amazing little handheld battery-operated device.
Looks like a magic wand.
Yes.
It might as well be.
That's right. And we put some topical numbing on the skin for about 10 minutes beforehand. And then this has 12 little microscopic needles at the tip. And it kind of jib-jabs into the skin. And helps to stimulate collagen and exfoliate the surface of the skin. And we get pore shrinkage from this, help with little fine lines. It helps eliminate redness and other discoloration in the skin and kind of gives us this bright overall look. The fillers then help to plump the skin. They fill little fine lines. They can help with the tired look under the eyes, augment the shape of the nose, and plump the lips a little bit for the holiday season. And then last but not least, our good friend Botox, which helps us to look relaxed and well rested as we jog through the holiday time. And so in combination, these 3 things just help us look well rested, refreshed, and brighter.
And people have to ask too, you know, associated with these procedures, is there downtime? Am I going to be out and down for a while, or what's it like to recover from it?
Well, each procedure does have a bit of downtime. The microneedling, right afterward you leave looking pretty pink, and that pinkness can last about 48 hours for most people. Some people carry red in their skin a little more than others, and they might hold on to it as long as 5 to 7 days. But on average you have kind of a sunburned look for 48 hours, so you have to kind of plan ahead with that. And anytime we put a needle into your skin with the fillers or the Botox, we can expect that there's the possibility of a small bruise. And so we ask you to plan 5 to 7 days in case you were to receive a bruise before any party or event. Right,
and the idea is that just that little bit of time, that little bit, does it hurt, by the way, to have these procedures done, or is it, what is a person going to feel?
We put some topical numbing cream before each of these procedures. And this procedure actually, while it looks a little daunting because it has the little microscopic needles, it kind of feels like a cat's tongue licking on you. So it's a very gentle, kind of soothing feeling. As we approach the forehead area, it is a little more tender, but very little discomfort whatsoever. Fillers and Botox, generally in the hands of a skilled injector, tend to not be terribly uncomfortable either. We just get you nice and numb beforehand.
Right, good point. And so, like I was saying, just a little bit of downtime leads to having this renewed, freshened look for all of these parties. And people might wonder, is there sort of a schedule I have to keep to maintain these procedures once I have them?
Yes, well, first of all, with the microneedling, I love to do 1 treatment a month for somewhere around 3 to 5 months. So starting soon to have that kind of refreshed look before the holidays would be fantastic. So generally 3 to 5 treatments of the microneedling. With Botox, we tend to retreat every 3 to 6 months. Most of my patients probably come back 3 times a year for Botox on average. And then with fillers, they range in their longevity. Some last 6 months, like some of the ones we use for the lips, and others last as long as 2 years. Some of the ones we use on the upper face to augment the cheeks.
Okay, and are there take-home regimens that we can do, you know, after we have these procedures to sort of take care of it ourselves, for ourselves?
Absolutely. So I love to start patients on a topical program that they can take home with them and maintain their results. I call it protecting your investment. So I send everybody home with a cleansing and toning regimen that's suitable for their skin. And then I like to follow with some vitamins in the morning, usually some form of vitamin C to help tone down redness and help protect from pollutants, and it's a great antioxidant. And then we usually put some sort of vitamin B5 gel on the skin to help shrink pores and hydrate the skin, lock water in your skin. and then always finishing off with some sun protection, sunscreen, and then makeup, if you will, afterward. And then in the evening, we have pretty much the same regimen. We leave out the vitamin C because that's mostly to protect us from the pollutants and things during the daytime. And we add vitamin A or retin A at night to help exfoliate and stimulate collagen.
Excellent. And who would you recommend should get these treatments? I mean, is every patient eligible, or who should be the one to get these?
Right. Almost every patient is eligible for most of these treatments. We, of course, have to have you come in for a quick assessment. The microneedling is safe for all skin types. We have both male and female patients that enjoy this regimen just to look a little brighter. It's very popular in Hollywood with the stars because there's very little downtime. You come out looking great right afterward and very refreshed. And then Botox. Generally, as soon as we start to see a little of the frown kind of set in or some lines on the forehead or around the eyes, it's usually time to get started with a little Botox. And fillers are generally great for everyone, whether it be for a little lip augmentation or to help with the tired look under the eyes.
Well, I have certainly only heard good things. I mean, literally glowing reviews from people who have had these done. They look amazing. Perfect for those holiday parties, and now's the right time to start thinking about that. So I'm going to give them the phone number, and also there's some really great specials too for people to take advantage of right now to go in and see you and have a renewed, fresh look. So Danielle, as always, thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Of course. Now here are a couple special offers. Like I mentioned, get $100 off each filler syringe until the end of the month, and then for next month, get microneedling for $200 for treatment when the normal cost is $250. Call 520-298-2330 to make an appointment, or for more information, log on to MALONEYPlasticSurgery.com.